Hi everybody, welcome to lesson number 8, Weekend Wow. This is Diane Chinelli. Thanks for joining me. Today we're going to make this really cute gingerbread card, and let's get started. What you're going to need to make the gingerbread card is some real red ink, some crumb cake ink. You're going to need a sheet of Whisper White that's cut to 4 by 5 1/4, a sheet of soft suede that's going to be cut 4 1/4 by 5 1/2, and of course score it for your card. You're going to need a sponge, Stampin' dimensionals. You're going to punch 2 ovals with the large oval punch and 3 3/4 circles with just any red glitter paper scrap you might have laying around. Now to make the rickrack, you also need a sizzix die cut. I have the one that has the 2 loop and rickrack from sizzix. Stampin' Up sells a tasteful trim sizzix, and that's got 4 trims on it: a small rickrack, a large rickrack, and then 2 other ones. If you have this smaller one, you would need the decorative strip platform, which looks like this. And then, of course, your cutting pads. There's 2 of those to a pack. Mine are pretty worn out, but it works nonetheless. And what we're going to do is you're going to take your crumb cake and you're going to sponge it all over your card. And I always lift the card up to sponge. And this just creates more of a shadow, gives it a little dimension. And then you're going to take one piece of your rickrack and glue it just on the bottom. And then, of course, trim it with your scissors. Then you're going to take a Stampin' dimensional on both of the ovals. After you have them also sponged all around, you want to sponge those. And you're going to place those so just a little bit is sticking off the edge, so you can see it like that. And then what you want to do is get these so they're equal, and again just a little bit sticking off the edge. And then you're going to cut that off so it's even with your card. Cut it off even with your card. Cut the rickrack. And then you're going to put a little bit more rickrack on each of his hands and trim around that. And then you're going to take the glitter dots and again, you have the pop dot. You're going to just line it up in the middle. 1, make sure those, take those off. 2, 3. You're going to sponge your white cardstock all the way around. Again, with the soft suede ink. And you're going to put that in there. This one's a little bit off. And then you're going to stamp your greeting. And again, a really cute greeting to use for this would be the sweet season. Gingerbread and sugared things, enjoy the sweets the season brings. I don't have that one. I have a Sweet Holidays, which is a retired set. Stamp that on the inside. And there you have it, the cutest gingerbread card ever. Thanks for joining me. Have a great weekend.